Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Ram 1500 Sport. Does have a 5.7 liter Hemi. I'll close this up, take you for a tour. I do like that sport hood. Does have painted alloy wheels and power sliding back window. Dual exhaust and a tow package. Spray on bed liner. This one is a 4x4. You see that it has black pinhole leather. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. It is showing 76,116 miles on this vehicle. It has push to talk and cruise control. Push button start. Here's your shifter and your 4 and 2-wheel drive. Come up here, here's your stereo. See it has AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. You can also work with your climate controls either down here or up here. You see that it has heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel. There we go. We'll turn this down a little bit. Okay, so you can also just turn the screen off that way. Gonna see reverse. Go ahead and put it in reverse. There we go. So you can see the guidelines. You also see here that you have your parking sensor. You come down here, you'll have your key fob, additional stowage, power supplies, more stowage, cup holders, and 2 decks for stowage and additional power supplies. As you come up here, you'll have your typical map reading lights, and you have your sunroof. Okay, this particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's a fire here in the rear that went into the cab. So there was obviously no airbag deployment or anything of that type. There's no structural damage. So we're able to get it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.